Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Square site using DropInBlog. Once logged into your Square admin account, from the home area on your dashboard, on the left-hand side here under Tools, find and click on Settings. Then, in the small pop-up, click on App Integrations. You'll be taken to the App Integrations page. From here, click on Visit App Marketplace. You'll then be directed to the Square App Marketplace in a new tab. In the search bar, type in DropInBlog. Once you see the results, click on the DropInBlog logo here. You'll be taken to DropInBlog's app page. Then click on the Get Started button here. This will lead you to the DropInBlog registration page. Fill in your info, then click on the green Start Free Trial button here. Then you'll need to enter your Square login information again. Once you do that, click on Sign In. Then you'll be asked for permissions, read through them, then click on Allow. You'll then be directed to DropInBlog, and here under Choose Your Online Site, click on Add DropInBlog. Just a note, if you have more than one Square site, they will all show up there, so be mindful of which one you want to connect DropInBlog with. You'll be logged into your DropInBlog admin account. Up top, click on Settings. Once in the Settings page under Square Access, you'll see a confirmation that your Square account has been successfully connected to your DropInBlog account. Now head back to your Square dashboard. Click on the hamburger icon on the upper left, and in the menu, click on More Tools, then find and click on Online. Once loaded, from the menu on the left, click on Website, then click on Edit Site. You'll be taken to your site editor. Make sure you're on your home page, click on the drop-down, and under Standard Pages, click on Add Page. Then under More, click on Blank Page, and under that, name your blog. We'll name ours Blog to be simple. Tick the Add Page to Navigation option to add a link to your blog page in the navigation menu. Once done, click on Add. Click on Add Section, then find and click on Embed Code. Choose one of the three section layouts. We'll choose this one on the furthest right. Then we'll click on Add up here. Firstly, let's click on this element over here. And under Content, we'll click on this toggle to remove the heading so that there's not any random text or headings on the blog, as DropInBlog provides everything. We'll do the same thing with this element over here. We'll click that and click on the toggle beside Section Description. And there are those elements removed. And under Code here is where you'll put the line of code that you need to get from your DropInBlog account. Now in your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, under Blog Code, click on Copy Code under this line of code to copy it. Then go back to your Square Site Editor tab and paste it under Code here. After that, click on Done up here, then click on Publish on the upper right. You'll see a pop-up confirming that your site has been published. Within will be your site link. To check out your live site, just click on this link. Let's click on Blog up here in the navigation menu. There is your blog. Let's click on one of the posts. And there it is. And that is how you add a blog to your Square site using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!